Hello everyone, this is Kittu from 11th Medical of New Era Public School. Today we are going to study the 9th chapter of chemistry, that is hydrogen. Yes, you all are familiar with this word. What is hydrogen? What is hydrogen? Hydrogen is the first element of the modern periodic table. As we are studying this from previous 2 or 3 years about the hydrogen. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about hydrogen. Hydrogen, it is the first element of the modern periodic table. Its atomic number is 1 and atomic mass is 1.00794. Hydrogen has 1 proton and it has 1 electron, and in atomic form it exists only at high temperature, but at normal elemental form it exists as a diatomic molecule as H2. So hydrogen forms so many compounds. Now you all think that carbon also forms many compounds. As we have read in the 4th chapter, carbon and its properties, that carbon form many compounds, but hydrogen also form many compounds. That in the carbon CH4, that is methane. So it also consists hydrogen. So hydrogen also forms many compounds. Now we are going to learn about the history of hydrogen. Hydrogen was discovered by Henry Cavendish in 1766, and the name hydrogen was given by Lavoisier. It is a Greek word. It is made up of 2 words, hydro plus gen. Hydro means water and gen means generator. So what is hydrogen? Hydrogen is water generator. So all of you are thinking now, why we are studying the chapter of hydrogen separate? Is anything special about hydrogen that we are reading it separate? We have read all the elements, 118 elements in many chapters of the chemistry, but now we are reading hydrogen chapter separate. Why? Because hydrogen is so special. There are so many special things in hydrogen. Firstly, hydrogen is the first element. Secondly, it is the lightest element. Third, it is most abundant in the universe. 70% of universe is made up of water. And fourth, its properties are similar to both alkali metals and the halogens. You have read the alkali metals and hydrogen, yes or no? Yes. Now we will talk that how the properties resemble to alkali metals and the halogens. About resemblance of properties of hydrogen with alkali metals. Alkali metals, this is the first group of the periodic table. It consists of lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and so on. You know what is the electronic configuration of hydrogen? Its electronic configuration is 1s1. We have read it in our previous chapters. So what is the electronic configuration of lithium, sodium? This lithium is 1s1, 1s2 and 2s1. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s1 and so on. So what is the similar thing in this? All have s1, 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 s1. So this is the first property that resemble to the hydrogen of the alkali metals. All of them lose one electron to stabilize its shell. Hydrogen also lose one electron. So they lose one electron, so it has a electropositive character. All of them show oxidation state of +1. All of them lose one electron to get stable and all of them has oxidation state of +1. All of the alkali metals combine with electronegative elements to form halides, oxides and sulfides. So these are the properties that resemble with the alkali metals. Now we are going to learn the resemblance of properties with halogens. Now resemblance with halogens. What are halogens? It is a 17th group of the periodic table. It consists of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and so on. So 17th group. There are total 18 groups in a modern periodic table. So 17th group is nearest to 18th group and we all guys are know that 18th group is known as noble gases, means inert gases. So they have full shell. Halogens need one more electron to complete its shell and hydrogen also needs one more electron to complete its shell. So its first properties that resemble to the hydrogen is that they all gain one electron to complete its octet. So they show the electronegative character. All halogens have one more similar property that is that they all have highest ionization enthalpy. So and one more is that as halogens form halides, hydrogen form hydrides. Our next topic is that these are the properties that are similar to the hydrogen, but alkali metals and halogens have also some property that difference to the hydrogen, and that's why in the modern periodic table hydrogen has a different place, means it is not in the any group. It is in the first group but it is not included in the first group. So what are the properties that are not similar to halogens and the alkali metals? Firstly, all alkali metals are basic. All halogens are acidic. But hydrogen is neutral. Hydrogen is neutral. And the second property is that all alkali metals are larger than hydrogen. But hydrogen is larger than all halogens except one, and that is iodine. Iodine size is 219 picometer and hydrogen is 208 picometer. So this is an exception case. Hydrogen doesn't exist freely, and this is one more difference. And one more difference is that hydrogen doesn't share electrons. There are unshared electrons. So these are some of the differences that are not resemble to alkali metals and halogens. So this is our today's topic. I hope all of you understand this properly. Thank you. Have an amazing day.